Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's core vocabulary and action video features the core vocabulary word, old. Old is an adjective, and old means that it has been around for a long time. Now let's find the word old on some of our AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic, the touch chat app from Sotillo, old. On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, old. On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, the 80 grid, old. Now let's use our word old for different functions of communication. I could comment and say, our car is old. I could label and say, this is my blanket from when I was young. It is old. I could use it to reject and say, you're not old. I could use it to deny and say, I'm too old for Paw Patrol. I could use it to ask a question. I could say, how old are you? I could use it to state my personal information and say that I am 33 years old. I could use it to request permission and say, can we read this old lady book?